Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom list using my iMac with Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, if you could do me a favor and please click on the subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos on Microsoft Excel, just come over here to How Do I, click on it, come over to my playlist here. As you can see, I've got one video here. I plan on uploading about 100 videos. So again, thanks for subscribing to the channel and let's get into the video. So as you can see, I've got my Microsoft Excel book here. It's a blank document and I want to create a list. For example, I'm going to do this based on departments that we have in an organization, from retail to wholesale to warehousing to finance to accounting, etc. So let's start this. The first thing you want to do is come over to Excel here and you're going to see preferences. So we're going to click on preferences, and underneath Excel preferences, we're going to see this custom list here. So we're going to click on custom list. And as you can see, currently we have custom lists and we're going to create a new custom list. Right now you can see Sunday, the abbreviations are there, Sunday, Monday. So you could follow this format. Okay, we have the full spelling of the days. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we also have short for Jan, February, etc. Full spelled out January, February, etc. to December. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on new list here. Okay, there's two ways of doing this. This is the first list. We're going to do this through custom lists using preferences. So the first list entry that we're going to put is accounting. The second one is going to be warehouse. Next one is going to be finance. Next one we're going to do is sales. Next one is marketing. Next one is IT. And the last one is we could put, retail sales. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is click on add. And there you go. So now we could close this and we can test this out. So this is if you're doing a lot of spreadsheets and you need to input this very easily. So we could go back here, we could go to Excel, we could go to preferences, and you want to make sure to remember your list, the first department that you have for automating your list in sequence. Okay, so it's accounting at first. So over here, let's say, you're at the top and you wanted to start, a line of titles here, and we could go to accounting. Okay, so now we just hover the mouse over until it turns black, and we're just gonna drag it over until we get to the end, which is retail sales, and let go of the left button. And as you can see, there it is. So accounting, warehouse, finance, sales, marketing, IT, and retail. Let's say you wanted to go down the row. So it's the same procedure. You highlight it, wait until the arrow turns black, and then you scroll down. And there you go. And that's how you do it from a custom list. The second part is doing it this way. So let's just start a new blank worksheet or erase this. In order to erase this, you can do Control A to select all, right click, and you could click on delete cells or delete or clear contents. Let's just do a delete. The other way is you could just do file, new, and then it's going to select a new workbook here and it'll create it book 2. Okay, so now here's another way of doing this. So let's just say we're doing employees. So we're going to do Jane, Sarah, Omar, Mike, John, David. Now what we're going to do is to create it from here. Let's say you're taking an existing template and it has a lot of items that you're going to use, right? A lot of names that are going to be used a lot. So what we're going to do here is come back up to Excel. We're going to go to preferences. We're going to go back to custom list. And now we're going to import list from cells. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this, left click, and just drag all the way down to the last one, then let go. And as you can see, it is going by E to the first one, 5, E5 to the last cell, which is E12. Okay, so now once you have that data in there, we're going to click on import. And that's it. So now let's close this. Let's delete all of this. Delete. Now we remember that it starts with Jane. So what we're going to do is just type in Jane, go to the arrow box, highlight it, and drag to the right. And it goes to Miguel. And left click release. And that's it. That's how you create a custom sequence or your own custom list in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.